Hey guys, and welcome to Master the Russian Verbs. Today we will talk about sentences that talk about something that we did before and we don't do it anymore. So this kind of complex sentences. How do we express this in Russian? In Russian we express it with the help of two adverbs. раньше, which means before, followed by a verb in the past tense. And we choose either «а теперь» and now, and «а сейчас» and now, and we continue in the present tense. Let's look at some examples and it will get clearer, I'm sure. So, раньше я жила в России. Before I lived in Russia. А теперь я живу во Франции. And now I live in France. In this kind of sentences, these two verbs can be equally used. They have the same meaning. Let's continue. раньше я работал. Before I worked. Or we can say in English, I used to work. А сейчас я не работаю. And I don't work for now. As you see, the verb работал, here it's masculine, it's a male person who is talking. Here it's in the past tense and here it's in the present tense, the first person я. The next example is раньше он изучал китайский. Before he learned Chinese. А теперь он изучает русский. And now he is learning Russian or he learns Russian. As you see, китайский and русский are used without the word язык. Yeah, it's omitted here, language. We say it like this also, like я учу русский, я изучаю русский, I learn Russian. We can say it like this. The next example is раньше она думала о себе. Before she was thinking or she thought about herself. Себе, this expression о себе, it means about oneself. For example, раньше я думала о себе. Before I thought about myself. Or раньше ты думал о себе. Before you thought about yourself. О себе is used in the same form with all the pronouns. Я думал о себе, я думала о себе, ты думал о себе, он думал о себе, даже они думали о себе. They thought about themselves. And we continue. А теперь она думает о других. And now she thinks about others. She's concerned about others. Yeah? Раньше они пили чай. Before they drank tea. А сейчас они не пьют чай. As you see, we can use it with the particle не to underline that they don't do it anymore. So it's not another activity here, it's the same activity but with a negation. They used to drink tea and they don't do it anymore. Okay, these kind of sentences are also quite popular. We continue. Раньше он любил читать. Before he liked to read. А сейчас он не любит читать. And now he doesn't like to read. As you see here, we used two verbs. First one we put in the past. Раньше он любил to do what? Читать plus the verb in the infinitive. And the second part, we again put the first verb conjugated in the present. Он не любит to do what? Читать, plus infinitive. So two verbs, the first verb changes, not the second one. Let's look at another example. Раньше она хотела стать адвокатом. Before, she wanted to become a lawyer. Хотела, we change, стать, we take it in infinitive. А теперь, and now, она хочет стать учителем. She wants to become a teacher. Again, the verb хотеть, we change, conjugated, она хочет. But the second verb стать remains in the infinitive form. Хочет стать учителем. So, I hope it was helpful for you, and I offer you to make a few sentences about things you did before, you don't do them anymore, maybe, or you do something else for practice. We'll meet each other in Master the Russian Verbs. See you!